I spent nearly 15 years as an electrician. Then, in my mid-30s, I made a career move and spent my remaining working years learning, leading, and coaching teams in the corporate world. When I retired about 3.5 years ago, I thought I was done. I thought I'd just fade into the West Texas sunset, enjoy my grandkids, watch over my investments, do a little traveling, and try my hand at gardening. But I quickly realized something. I missed making a difference. So lately, I've been looking at all the retirement advice out there. The noise from our coworkers, neighbors, and internet experts. And it hit me. Most people, well, they tell you how to retire, but only a few show you they actually care if you succeed. Now, I'm not here to be YouTube famous. I'm here because I don't want to see you work for 40 years only to trip at the finish line. My first manager told me something a long time ago that I think I forgot once I retired. People, well, they don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. I realized that when I started this YouTube channel about a year ago, I was just kicking out information like everyone else. But that's not who I am. I'm an introvert. I'm a guy who likes to observe, research, and protect the people I love, like my wife, our kids and grandkids. So I'm doing this channel because I want to be remembered as the guy who made a difference. I want to be your quiet advocate in a very loud and noisy world. So if you're looking for get-rich-quick schemes or complicated math formulas that tell you you'll be fine on 4% a year, well, you're in the wrong place. This channel is about building a life that's debt-free and stress-free. It's about having a plan for your health, your money, and your family that doesn't break when the wind blows. And it's about mentorship. I'm going to share what I've learned and the mistakes I've made so you can walk this path with your head held high, knowing you'll be just fine in retirement. So if you're approaching retirement or you're already here and feeling a little lost, I'd like to invite you to join me. We're going to discuss building a dream team of advisors. We're going to talk about staying fit enough to enjoy our lives. And we're going to challenge the standard retirement script. I'm Wes. The grandkids, they call me Pawpaw. But mostly, I'm just a guy who wants to see you win. If that sounds like something you need, hit the subscribe button and let's walk this road together. I'm glad you're here. Wes out.